Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have 2 opportunities to be a social media manager. One with the Next Day Incorporated company and the other one with Joy Byte. So let's start with the first one, shall we? The first one is Next Day Incorporated, a Delaware corporation. They're looking for a social media manager. It pays up to $15 an hour. The social media manager will work alongside the CEO and marketing director to create a fun yet effective social media presence and interact with the community through comments, DMs, and other social activity. Here are some day in the life highlights. You're going to plan out all media for posting and create basic graphics we need. Be able to create content for TikTok, Facebook, IG, and others and be up to date with the trends. Maintain a content calendar that aligns with the brand's goals and those shared by the team. Be the voice of Next Day as you interact with community members, customers, and other pages. Look after the accounts of TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube to share content appropriately and know where to cross-post. IG Reels to TikTok should be the first thing you thought of. The opportunity to dive into analytics, both organic and paid social strategies and reporting. Perks of the role: remote work, course credit availability if you're in college, opportunity to work with a team of former McKinsey consultants, private equity professionals, and more, and it is part-time. So in order to excel in this position, social media should be an integral part of your day-to-day life. You know the trends on TikTok, know what content is good for a story versus what you should go in a post, and have the energy to engage with community that spans in multiple platforms. Ideally, you're pursuing or have a degree in marketing or communications or a similar discipline, but it's not a must. If you're looking to get access to a Tier 1 team and learn along the way, roll your sleeves and take ownership of your own projects across marketing, community management, and some analytics, then we'd love to meet you. Some of the requirements is love social media and know how to take on the voice of the brand, hopefully pursuing/having a degree, preferably in marketing/communications field, can work with a team and brainstorm and create new ideas, but then also go out and be a leader across our social platforms. This is part-time or internship position, pays $15 an hour, Monday to Friday. At least 1 year of marketing experience is preferred, and at least 1 year of brand social media management, 1 year is preferred. Now for the next position is a social media strategy for the company Joy Byte. It pays up to $48,000 a year. Joy Byte is a Scottsdale, Arizona company. It's a social media marketing service that drives growth for consumer brands by increasing social reach and engagement through joyful interaction and content strategy. Our unique model gives businesses instant access to a team of 5 social media professionals to manage social media entirely on their behalf, including an account manager, strategist, graphic designer, copywriter, and social butterfly. We're looking for your creative talent and passion for building D2C, direct-to-customer brands to join our team as we help businesses organically grow on social media through filling their feeds with joy. So how to be a great social media strategist at Joy Byte? You need to conduct industry research to inform social media strategies in the direct-to-consumer space. Design and present social media strategies to achieve marketing targets. Create and run client social media campaigns. Keep clients informed with reporting on key performance metrics. Work with writers and graphic designers to formulate high-quality written and visual content. Maintain clients' brand across all social media channels. Build brand awareness by engaging relevant influencers. Manage online communities to ensure respectful and appropriate engagement. Analyze data to determine whether social media campaigns have achieved their objectives. Some of the requirements will be direct experience and result working in organic social media, specifically in the direct-to-consumer space, bachelor degree in English, journalism, marketing, communications, business, or related field preferred, marketing experience with strong digital marketing and social media understanding, at least 2+ years of experience, influencer marketing experience, at least 2+ years of experience, experience driving direct-to-consumer social media channels or agency experience developing social media strategies, an ability to identify clients' target audience and build content to speak to the target's audience, have knowledge of marketing techniques and concept, ability to think creatively and outside of the box, must be able to effectively research a client's industry and quickly gain the knowledge needed to understand the business model and goals, must have the ability to adapt to the style, tone, and voice of the clients we serve, proven ability to build social media communities, ability to measure the success of campaigns, strong writing, editing, and proofreading skills, strong public speaking skills on video platforms, phone, and in person, proficient time and project management skills, and be able to communicate effectively and work well autonomously in a team-driven environment, be highly motivated and self-started with high standards of performance and expectation for themselves and their team, proficient with Mac and G Suite presentation products, and knowledgeable in Google Analytics, familiar with basic website CMS. This job is full-time, pays up to $48,000 a year. It includes benefits such as dental, health, and vision insurance, paid time off, parental leave, and 401k. The schedule is Monday through Friday, and at least prefer 2 years of social media marketing. If any of these 2 jobs that we presented today feel like the right fit for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. The first job will be under job 1, and the second job, this one, Joybite, is going to be under job 2, so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry, we're going to have 5 to 7 job leads here on this channel. You can browse through our most recent videos to find the perfect one for you, or you can subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best work from home job that's available for you. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home, will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below, so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.